Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on changing the battery in your Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner. This process can be straightforward, but it requires the right tools and a little patience. Let's dive in. Tools needed: 1. A Phillips screwdriver. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A new Dyson V8 battery. 4. A clean cloth for dust removal. Step 1. Prepare your vacuum. Before you start, ensure your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged from the charging dock. This is crucial for your safety. If you have a lot of dust buildup, use a clean cloth to wipe down the exterior of the vacuum. Step 2. Remove the battery cover. Locate the battery cover at the base of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that hold the battery cover in place. Make sure to keep these screws safe, as you will need them to secure the new battery. Step 3. Disconnect the old battery. Once the cover is off, you'll see the old battery. There are typically clips on either side that hold the battery in place. Gently press these clips to release the battery. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that you've removed all screws. Step 4. Install the new battery. Take your new Dyson V8 battery and align it with the connectors. Slide it into place until you hear a click, indicating it's securely attached. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get help when you need it. Step 5. Replace the battery cover. Now that the new battery is in place, reattach the battery cover by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the cover fits snugly without any gaps. Step 6. Test your vacuum. Once everything is secured, plug the vacuum back into the charging dock and let it charge for a few hours. After charging, turn it on to test if the new battery is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, it could be beneficial to have a professional check it out. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you. Step 7. Clean up. Remember to clean any dust or debris from the area where you were working. This helps maintain your Dyson and keeps your workspace tidy. If you have any leftover screws or parts, store them safely in case you need them in the future. Final note: changing the battery in your Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner can extend its life and improve its performance. If you find this process daunting or time-consuming, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer no calls, no travel services with a quote before repair, ensuring you get the help you need without the hassle. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your clean home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.